Hi guys, welcome to this cheeky booty band workout. Today I am using Swans. I don't know, I ordered them on Amazon, so let's get started. Right, so first we're going to do 10 squats. So as you're doing this, you want to make sure your knees aren't coming inwards and that your feet are pointing forwards. Ready? Let's go for 10. So you want to be keeping the core engaged at the same time. By the way, if you haven't watched any of my other videos, I don't know how to talk or count, but I think that's 4. Or is this 4? I don't know. We'll say that this one's 5. Because if we're doing an extra one, it's not too bad. Oh, I've lost count again. Let's do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. And 5. Right, now we're going to go down to a squat position. Again, keeping those knees pushed out. We're just going to step to the side, step to centre, step to the other side, step to centre. I'm not even going to try and count this one. I'm just going to be giving you tips on what to do because I can't do the 2 at the same time. Oh my god, my quads are already burning holding this position. Right, let's go. So step, centre, the other way, centre, and step. That's good. Stay nice and low. You want to keep your core engaged, chest up. Ooh, you'll be feeling this inside the glutes, you'll be feeling this in the quads. Ooh, let's get those peaches going. Oh my goodness, I feel like my legs are on fire. So as you do this, you want to make sure you're stepping out, not with the foot like so, but with the knee. So it's the muscles that are working, not the joints. Last one, and last one this way. Oh, come up. Oh my goodness. It's workout done. I'm done. Let's move down to the floor. We're going to be working the hip dip region. So you're going to be on hands and knees, core engaged. We're going to go out for 10, doing fire hydrants. Let's go. 1, 2, you want to keep your foot flexed. 3, 4, 5, keep pushing through the hands, don't let your shoulders sink. 6, keep going, you've got this, we're going for 10. 7, 3 more. 8, 9, last one. 10. Switch to the other side, straight away, let's go. 1, 2, keep pushing through those hands. 3, 4, keep that core tight. 5, that's halfway. 6, keep breathing. 7, 8, 9, last one. 10. Whew. Lying on our backs. You're going to go to a glute bridge position. So you want to be keeping your core tight, back straight. You're going to pull it up, and then when you get to the top, so your glutes are going to be squeezed, core engaged, and then you're going to push your knees out, come back in, go back down. Ready? Let's go for 10. So up, out, in, down. There's 1, 2, 3. As you're doing this, you want to come up nice and straight. You don't want to be wobbling on your way up. I told you I couldn't count. I think, is this number 4? I don't know. I'm going to say this is 5. As you're doing it as well, your hands are there for balance. They're not actually pushing you up. As you see, I could just be doing the same without my hands. But I don't fancy holding my hands up there. And it's absolutely fine to use them for a little bit of balance when you're getting used to this exercise. I feel like we've definitely done 10 at this point. Let's do 1 more. Standing back up. Ooh. We feeling the burn yet, guys? Right, let's go for some monster walks. So you want to move your band down a little bit lower, so it's down below the knee now. You're going to come down. You're just going to walk forwards, Oh my goodness. And backwards. Oh, wow. It's been a while since I've done these and I forgot just how tough they are. If you want to make it easier, you can of course do this without the resistance band or do it with a slightly larger one. Keep going. Just going forwards and back as far as your space will allow you. Taking nice big steps as much as the resistance band and your muscles will allow you. Oh my goodness, I'm feeling the burn. My glutes are on fire, all in caps that is. Just squeezing the core. Last one. Relax. That is today's cheeky glute band workout. Done. I'll see you for another workout.